In this video, we are going to see that if we want to take the entire web page screenshot in a single go in Google Chrome, here's what you can do. First of all, just go to this three dots and just go to more tools at the bottom. And once we're in here, we have this developer tools right at the end. Click on that. And what you need to do is just click on this little laptop and a phone kind of icon. Just click on that. Here it is. And you will notice that it has changed this to a web page look. So let's say that we want to take Wikipedia screenshot about Bill Gates. Let's write Wikipedia Bill Gates, and it's all the information about Bill Gates on Wikipedia. And we want to take a long screenshot here, so we can adjust it however we want. But usually what I recommend you to do is just first of all open up the particular website that you want to open in advance. First of all, just write like this, open up the Wikipedia. Let's say you want to open Wikipedia, and after that just go to the three dots and repeat this process. Go to developer tools, and now we click on this, and you will notice that we have much more information this time on a single screenshot. And what you need to do is just click on this three dotted icon, and it says here capture full sized screenshot. Just click on that. And after that, usually take the screenshots of Google pages. So if you don't find it on Wikipedia, you can just try writing something on Google search directly. And here is the screenshot for you. It's by default in the PNG format. You just click on this, capture the full screenshot, and you have this downloaded. And there you go, guys. You can check the quality of it. Although it looks like at the first glance that this is too small, but even no matter how much you zoom it, you can easily read through all of this information. So that's pretty amazing. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.